Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Shravanti Ivaturi from 2011-13 Indore batch. Currently, I'm working with a multinational which is taking care of healthcare technology, and I'm working as a branding communications lead there, taking care of everything internal communications and external as well, PR, marketing, all of it. I think there were endless learnings that I can remember, and maybe just if I put it down in few words. Number one would be getting into a proper routine. I think consistency is the key. Getting into a schedule, practicing every single day of what we learn into our day-to-day habits is something which has really helped me a lot. Second is discipline, of course. I think there's so much back in college days which gets us into the discipline of it. Point number three would be, a lot that we learned from our professors and teachers around that time. Every single classroom lecture to all the informal conversations that we've had, I think all of it has actually helped me. A lot of them, but some of it I can resonate with a couple of events or say organization, large-scale events that I've organized. I think back in my Jaipuria Indore days, I did the same there in college as well. So reaching out to various colleges, talking to them, calling for sponsorships, taking care of managing the entire event flow right from, say, day one, scratch entire flow, the setup, the decoration, the design, the communications, the marketing, everything, I think. I think it was more like, living my life once again, of which I already did back in college days. There's a lot of communications that we do, and when I say branding communications, it starts right from executive communication, taking care of all the presentations, our intranet, the blog posts that go out, there are leadership videos that we take care of, the scripting that goes into it, and a lot of email communication that is done, both creative and content. Basically from internal perspective. Talking about external, it's more of the media and PR relations that we take care of, more of the press releases, the ads, and any kind of social media marketing that we do for our organization. So it's complete 360 degrees communication, you can say. I think the key to it is staying up to date with trends that you see in the industry, and that is something that will really help because of late we've seen social media take on so much person-to-person connect, and I think that is something post-COVID a lot of us have missed out on, so we should not shy away from creating that networking, and I think that those two things are key to success there. I think AI is, of course, the future, while they say, but what I feel is AI cannot replace the human connect. So even for content creation that we do, mostly we try and get that personalized messaging in place because, see, AI can help us with anything that we want to write these days. But how do we have that personalized messaging to touch someone's heart, someone's emotions directly is something that is really important. I think, a lot for creative stuff, yes, we do. Not much for content because it is very customized to our organization perspective. But I think for creating videos, for creating artwork, I think a lot of AI is being used. I think it was amazing. So those 2 years of being from Indore batch, that was the first batch we were, having to set up every principle right from the start, apart from the rules and regulations which the organization had set for us, we had the chance to create that foundation for the future batches that would come in. We had that chance of creating that legacy which the future batches would take forward. So right from teaching our villagers where the institute is located today, we engaged a lot with them, teaching them, making sure that they could be employable. We got into a lot of entrepreneurial activities with them. We also did so much of marketing and visibility for Jaipuria Indore campus by reaching out to colleges, organizing fests at our colleges, letting everyone in Indore know that Jaipuria Indore has established itself. So those 2 years, if I have to sum it up, not just about everything we did for the Institute and Institute did for us, we also got to create those long-lasting bonding with the small batch that we were then. The person that I am today, the confidence that I have in everything that I do, the confidence of being myself in any organization that I've been with in the last almost 14 years of my career, I think it's all because of everything, all the experiences that I've piled up over the years. Not just at the Institute, but also my past work experiences. Not just about the personality and experience, it's so much more learning beyond that. Small habits like getting a proper routine for yourself, getting into smaller habits that could change someone, and the list will go on. Your net worth is your network. And I think that's the best thing about Jaipuria Alumni, and that would what I would really want to encash it on, creating a strong network base who can help me with my career path forward and also help me build my skills further is what I'm looking forward to from Alumni Networking. I think it's pretty simple, just be yourself, be there for those 2 years that you are in the organization, be in the present. Sky is the limit. So, don't limit yourself to what you've learned so far. Unlearn and then relearn should be your process. When you are at the college, be with the people around you. They're going to be very super bonding friends with that group. They're going to last long for your lifetime, probably. Yeah, just focus on studies apart from having the share of fun that you'll have at the campus. Be limitless at Jaipuria.